Hi guys, it's Dean from Extreme Car Cleaning, and today I'm working on a Dynamic 88. Okay, this is a 1963. All right, now every vehicle that comes in here has a different story and a different set of requirements that it needs for servicing. This one here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to polish the rest of this vehicle. Now, before I did that, I used my trusty paint gauge to make sure that there's enough paint on here. Now, some of the vehicle's panels were very thin, so what I did in the case of that was I went through with the glaze just to try and reduce the amount of scratches that are in it. Now, I can't go and use a heavy cutting compound on it because there's not enough material there. Now, without a gauge, you're taking a real chance, because especially something like this, I mean, you're working on a classic machine. You want to disturb it as the least amount as possible, and you want to get the best results you possibly can. So on this vehicle so far, we've done the chrome on the front end, we've done the engine compartment, we've polished the hood, and we're working our way back. Today I'm going to finish polishing the rest of this vehicle, and I'm going to use Masterson's Legend Car Wax. So this is what I'm going to be using today. Now, the reason I'm using Masterson's, okay, is the Masterson's product. It's a heavily refined carnauba wax. There's very little paraffin in it. There's very little beeswax. This is a show car. This is a vehicle that's only going to be out to go to car shows and Sunday driving. That's it. This is not a daily driver. So what I do is, with these types of vehicles, I put on a product that the customer can use themselves, and it's going to suit the needs of the vehicle. Now, this one, they want it super shiny. I did a 34 Roadster, and that gentleman uses that religiously on his car now. I did it with the Masterson's Legend, and it was just beaming. He was so happy. Now, you're not going to get the longevity out of the wax that you would with a different type of wax, a different setup. This is a very refined carnauba wax. It's actually refined 7 times, and it's almost pure. And it's loaded with essential oils. Now, these essential oils help you in application for the vehicle, and it helps moisturize the paint as well. It's a natural way of protecting the paint and giving you a super high gloss with the carnauba that's in it. Normally, a wax of that caliber is $700 or more. Now, the Masterson's falls in at a price point of about around 250 Canadian, which is excellent. I mean, it's almost a third of the price of a wax with that quality. Now, I've been using this on classic cars. I use it on a '66 Mustang. I've used it on a few different cars, but mostly show cars where the vehicle is not a daily driver. They're not taking this thing out on the highway and going very long distances with it, driving it every single day for months on end. If you're doing that, you want to go to a ceramic or at least a paint sealant. You want to go with something a little heavier, and then you can put a wax on top of your paint sealant if you wish. That's normally what we recommend here. But like I said, for a daily driver like this, if you want to get a maximum shine out of it, the Masterson's Legend Car Wax is phenomenal. It is the best wax I've seen so far. Now, I have never applied the waxes that are $700 plus. I mean, I don't carry that. I don't apply that, but I'll tell you something, for the price point, this stuff is amazing. So anyways, if you're looking for a really good car wax and you have a car that you want to look after yourself, I would strongly recommend the Masterson's Legend Car Wax. It does a phenomenal job. It's very easy to apply, and it's different than any other wax that's out there. You'll see the difference as soon as you apply it to the car. It's very easy to put on, and it's very easy to take off, okay? So I just want to share that vehicle with you today, okay? And I've got some other video. I did a walk around, and I'll show you that too. So anyways, yeah, I just want to cover that with you guys today. And not every vehicle we do in here is like this. We do a ton of daily drivers, but I just want to share this with you because it is a special vehicle, and this isn't something that we do every single day. We do, I would say, 5 or 6 of these a year, classic cars. And usually once we detail them like this, the customer usually takes it from that point and they continue to maintain it with the products that we provide them. And while we're on that note, I'm getting a full shipment of Masterson's products in for Christmas. We're going to have some build your own bucket. So you can order a Masterson's bucket with a really nice seat on it. And you can also fill it with a whole bunch of products and send that out to somebody that's a car enthusiast for Christmas. Makes a fantastic Christmas gift. Okay, if you don't know what to get somebody, we've got some of the greatest stuff around. And like I said, Masterson's, not only do I like it because it works, but it's very easy to use and anybody can use it. I mean, I use it here professionally, and a lot of the car enthusiasts I know, they buy it afterwards to maintain their car because they love how easy it is to work with. And they get a fantastic result by using the Masterson's products. All right, so thank you very much for watching. And hopefully you guys will tune in and watch some more of my videos. I got a lot more stuff coming. And anyways, thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Bye.